the same venue where I injured. I mean, na-ACL ako here 3 times. So, hindi ko na pinanood replay because well, nakita ko na yung leg niya. So, of course, we prayed as a team right away and we tried to dedicate the game for him. Yun lang kasi we don't want those things to happen to anyone but at the same time also kasi Deck 1 nandito siya last year and kaya siya pinawal because he's a very good character guy, easy to get along. He's one of the boys na kakulitan namin lahat na araw. So it's just sad to see a brother going down. So ayun, of course lahat is lost for words right now but it's sad to see to a good man na mangyari ganun bagay.
May memories na bumalik ka.
Yes, to be honest, yes, kasi yun as I've said, lahat ng ACL ko yung nangyari lahat and ang bigat sa pakiramdam, lalo, syempre, of course, a win is a win, praise God, but at the same time, ang bigat na sa pakiramdam and you can feel the dugout right now na talagang kahit nanalo kami, mabigat pakiramdam na lahat kasi devastating yung nangyari. Praise God din kay Deck 1 before he exited the court, talagang nagsalute pa siya sa mga tao, he's in good spirits. But I know it's not easy going through that kasi I've experienced it 3 times, so hanggang it's really hard.
Diba napapaano ka kasi yung venue na to parang may notion na medyo ang laki sa mga players itong venue na to.
Yeah, I mean, Brandon, lumapit naman siya sa akin after the game, parang looks teary-eyed, parang sorry sabi ko, it really happened sa basketball. I mean, sabi ko, wala namang may gusto mangyari na yun, the game is physical and everything. But you can see kahit yung kalaban namin, nobody wanted it to happen to anyone. Kahit coaches, but there's even Brandon kasi siya yung involved sa situation, so lumapit siya. And ramdam mo rin yung sincerity niya na talagang nag-sorry siya and alam mong sinilipiri siya. So what happened?